Hey everyone, I'm back. Oh, I've been so busy. We've released Rad Studio 13. What else do we do? Interbase 15. We also had loads of events we went to. I've been to Denmark, I've been to Amsterdam, I've been to Italy, Germany twice, and all sorts of other places as well. I've been very, very busy releasing product and going and meeting people, meeting developers, and talking about various subjects to do with you name it. We've been there, and lots of people give me ideas and telling me what they think about the product, good or bad. I always ask you to email me, ian.barker@embarcadero.com. Tell me what you think. But I've got something very exciting to tell you. Coming up on the 1st to the 5th of December is CodeRage. It's coming back. It's a week-long live event, virtual. You can join in online, and also will be pre-recorded some of the sessions. You'll get replays as well. Go to coderage.embarcadero.com at the bottom of the screen there. Register now. There are loads of sessions. If I tell you about a few of them now, if you ever considered using Linux as your daily driver, not everybody wants to. I get it, but actually quite a few people think, you know what? Let's try it out, especially if you're a developer. There are lots of very cool things that you can do with Linux. There's a session on that. A session called the Time Traveler's Toolkit, Mastering Dates and Times in Delphi. Uh, what about OpenSSL? The latest version works with Indy, if you know what Indy is. It's very, very useful. Communications package built into absolutely everything you could ever want. But the OpenSSL library sometimes it's been a little bit out of date. Well, it's bang up to date now with the very latest version of OpenSSL. And we've got a talk from JP, who is the author of Taurus TLS. He's going to tell you how to use an OpenSSL and what the advantages are and disadvantages. If you've ever wanted to make that HTTPS work and all those other things when you're doing communication, this is the session to watch. Some educational sessions like linear algebra, matrices, vectors, and homogeneous coordinates for 2D graphics. I don't know what that is. It sounds great though, and that's going to be from Dr. Kevin Bond, no less. He's going to be appearing and telling us all about that. But at least 50% of the sessions are going to be about AI, including some very, very exciting developments on AI, proper AI coding inside the IDE, not a chat window, not an add-on. Yeah, there's going to be a few of those sessions as well, but some actual co-pilot-like. I don't know whether we can use that phrase, but where you type and it makes suggestions. There's some sessions showing that. There's also going to be a session on a thing called Maker AI, very, very interesting. And one session from Marco G, a very good friend of mine, is called The End of Coding is Here. AI and legacy Delphi applications, all about, what he means by that. Is AI going to replace us? Is coding dead as an occupation? I mean, that's one of the things we're all worried about, right? We're all developers. Well, come and see that session and you'll find out. Lots of other things as well, not just AI, lots of other topics, pure code, pure, cutting edge. And for the first time ever, CodeRage this year will be multilingual. There'll be sessions in German, sessions in Spanish, sessions in Brazilian Portuguese and Portugal Portuguese, and Spanish and French, I believe, and maybe some other languages as well. We've got at least 30 sessions, and in fact, we have so many sessions, we think we might even need to add a few days after the 1st to the 5th of December because we're just going to have so much going on. We've also got some other sessions. Ray Konopka is going to be here talking about a branded kiosk with FMX styles. Modern Android services. Ever want to make a service with Android so that something runs in the background and your app, your Android app can run as a service and have access to things that you can't normally do in Android apps? Well, there's a session all about that, and job objects and transforming Delphi code into an MCP server. Lots of very, very interesting stuff. There's tons and tons and tons. And also a session from Alicio Gonzalez about turning your idea into a mobile app. And also, if you've ever thought about this kind of application, I'm going to take you through a whole session that shows you how to create this application, the user interface. There's one that is a FireMonkey user interface and a VCL user interface and a Web Stencils user interface. as well. Some very pretty apps. I'm going to show you how to code those live, or probably pre-recorded, but certainly you'll be able to see it from start to finish on my sessions. I'm going to have a couple of sessions in CodeRage, but it's just something you can't miss. Every single year we have a ton of content. There's something for everybody. All you need to do is go to coderage.embarcadero.com, register. We won't spam you. You'll just get the confirmation from us, and all we need to know is your email address and what country you're in so that we know who we're talking to. But apart from that, sign up and we'll make sure that you get the replays as well. So if you miss it, if you can't make all day, every day from the 1st to the 5th of December, don't worry, the replays will get sent to you automatically as well. It's a great thing. There's game development and all sorts of other things. In fact, I've got such a big list here, I can't see them all. Plurals, genders, and numbers. Math stuff, I think. Linear algebra. Well, awesome stuff. Anyway, 1st to the 5th of December, be there. See you soon. Bye-bye.